Welcome to qnawire.
Good day, everyone. So here for the given, we have the temperature of the incubation. The incubation temperature that is 37 degrees Celsius. We have the heat of fusion. The heat of fusion is 205 kilogram per kilogram liters. And we have the surface area that is 0.490 square meters. And we have the thickness that is 4.50 centimeter. Now we have our conductivity. So our conductivity would be 0.0120 W per meter degrees Celsius. We have our exterior temperature. So definitely that would be 23 degrees Celsius for 12 hours and 16 degrees Celsius for 12.0. We have 12.0 hours. We have 12.0 hours. So we need to find the mass of the waxy material required to conduct the test. So based on here, we know that Q will be equal to ml. So m is equals to Q divided by L. Also, Q is equals to Q1 plus Q2. That would be P1 T1 plus P2 T2, which is equals to P1 plus P2 times T. In this case, the power comes through heat transmission. So we have P is equals to Ka. So we have Th minus Tc divided by D. So Q will be equal to Ka divided by D. So we have Th minus T1 plus Th minus T2 times T. Now simplifying the above equation that we had, so we have M is equals to Q divided by L. That would be equal to KAT divided by D, 2TH minus T1 minus T2 divided by L. And this would be equal to KAE times 2TH minus T1 minus T2 divided by TL. So substituting this one, we have M is equals to 0.012 times 0.49 times 12 times 3,600 divided by 0.095 times 2.05 times 10 raised to the power 5. We have 2.37 minus 23 minus 16. So M will be equal to 0.0457 kilogram. And this would be our answer.